Today, we're exploring the world of corn pollen under the microscope. Corn pollen serves as the male reproductive cells of the corn plant, playing a crucial role in the creation of future corn crops. These tiny grains, akin to nature's seeds, hold within them the potential for new life. As we adjust the lens to magnify our view, we'll unveil the remarkable intricacies of each pollen grain. Join us on this captivating journey as we dive deep into the world of corn pollen, unraveling its significance in the cycle of plant reproduction and agricultural sustainability. Witness the intricate details and hidden beauty of everything from tiny organisms to everyday objects. Ready for a closer look? Check out our YouTube channel for more fascinating discoveries. Link in the bio. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment to join the conversation and support the channel.